I will introduce Wooxy's Artificial Marketing Intelligence, AMI, step by step. If you have questions, ask in the chat. My teammates and I will answer them at the end of this session. So, let's start. First and most importantly, we got rid of the dashboard on the main page. Today's business tools promise efficiency but often slow teams down. We are entering a no dashboard era where AI becomes the interface. Wooxy AMI represents this shift, replacing manual clicking, searching, and structuring with direct action and intelligent automation. The way teams interact with software is fundamentally changing, and traditional dashboards are overloaded and time consuming. AI first interfaces remove friction and reduce operational complexity. We want to transform the AI assistant from reactive to proactive. In the reactive model, you need to know what you want, where you need it, and how to prompt the AI effectively, essentially becoming an AI prompt engineer yourself. In the proactive model, your assistant understands your business, brand, industry, user engagement, metrics, and Wooxy's tools, and actively helps you using that complete toolset. I will walk you through the core capabilities of Wooxy AMI, everything from setup to real usage in a marketing workflows. We'll start by setting up context, one of the most important steps for working with AI. Next, we'll explore the AI-generated newsfeed, where you will find all the information, ideas, and insights AMI brings to your attention. Then we'll see how AMI Planner helps you to brainstorm ideas and structure them into an action plan. Once you're happy with the ideas, you can simply ask AMI to develop all the templates and set up campaigns for you. I'll show you how to do that in one click. When you are running marketing campaigns across multiple channels and platforms, there are dozens of metrics and tracks to track. AMI will help you keep everything under control. Finally, I'll show you some bonus features to control your account or get help with features. This is the foundation of all automation. AMI learns how your brand speaks, who you target, and what you are trying to achieve. When you log in the first time, one of the first newsfeed items you will see is a recommendation to add your brand. Alternatively, you can navigate to Settings, Brand, Add Brand. Fill in all the fields carefully. The more accurate you are with your information, the better your results. AMI builds a real-time brand model with this information, explores your website, researches your industry, identifies competitors, lists industry best practices. Every future recommendation and message will follow the brand identity you have defined. Now, let's take a closer look at your AI newsfeed. We see this as a replacement for your dashboard and will continuously improve the quality of information and signals AMI brings to your attention. This is your marketing assistant that never sleeps. It monitors your brand, data, and discovers opportunities before you even think about them. It identifies problems and issues across all marketing channels and dozens of metrics, something that's physically impossible to monitor constantly on your own. Instead of digging through dozens of metrics which are still available in your account with one click, you will see the final results of AMI's analysis of that information. Think of it as a newsfeed for your business. Every morning, instead of scrolling through your Facebook or LinkedIn, you can scroll through your business feed. You will see all the important things happening, getting ideas and hints about what to do next. And if you like what you see, click the magic button. AMI will bring the idea to life. For example, I have a red warning that my open rate is low. When I click Show Me Details, AMI generates a full analysis based on available metrics. Here are some ideas proposed by AMI. I can ask for more details, and if I like what I see, AMI will generate all the content and templates I need to launch that idea. We are already working on visualization of most of the content in publications to make it easier to consume and use. We also plan to add Slack integration with the newsfeed, so you can receive all the publications directly into your Slack channel. This will help you to stay in control, especially useful when you have multiple accounts with us, making it easier to monitor dozens of metrics across all channels and brands. And remember, your likes and dislikes help us to understand what really works, which help us to teach AMI to generate better quality insights. Now, let's take a closer look at the AMI's interface and toolbox beyond the newsfeed. AMI is available from almost any page in the top menu, or you can find the AI Sparkle icon throughout your account. When you open the chat with AMI, you will see an input form and a drop-down menu with available tools. Don't worry, if you are unsure which tool you need, AMI will do its best to understand your request and apply the right tool automatically. AMI has a sophisticated mechanism built especially for this purpose. Some tools aren't available in the drop-down menu and can only be used by AMI when needed. The key thing to remember, when you select the tool yourself, AMI uses fewer tokens to deliver the results. We'll cover the most important tools today, but we are adding many more in the future, so stay tuned for updates. And one more thing, you can ask AMI in any language you need and ask to generate content on any language you need. AMI will understand you and will generate all the content necessary on your preferred language. Let's start with the most exciting tool, our campaign planner. This is where no dashboard era becomes real, no more complex builders or toggles. Just tell AMI your business goals. The planner will automatically suggest the best timing, channels, and segmentation for you. You can also pick one of the business goals AMI proposes. Let me show you how it works. Hey AMI, I need a campaign to plan for Christmas Eve for Wooxy. Also add a New Year's greeting to our customers. As you see, AMI brainstormed a complete action plan for me, including everything needed to start implementation. It says the objective, checked which channels I have in my account, how many subscribers I have for each channel, my interest stream, my brand, and proposed channels, timing, and topics for the action plan. If you want to change something, just ask. For example, I can ask to remove the Telegram campaign and add more SMS campaign, or add another campaign on January 3rd to ask how the New Year party was. AMI will regenerate the plan based on your request. I'll ask to keep only 3 campaigns, 1 email, 1 SMS, and 1 Telegram to avoid making the demo too long. Looks good, but let's have only 3 campaigns. 1 email, 1 SMS, 1 Telegram. As you can see, AMI did everything I asked. If you like what you see, approve the plan, and AMI starts working on implementation. AMI generates the visuals, texts, editable templates, and set up the campaigns for you. And then you will get the calendar with all the scheduled campaigns. Remember, campaigns are scheduled to send at the proposed time. Double check everything, make any necessary needs, or pause campaigns to avoid unexpected activity in your account. By the way, as you have noticed, when I start a new conversation with AMI, the chat remembers your context. This helps keep things on track. You don't need to remind AMI what you are talking about. And when you are done, you can reset it, since the deeper the context, the more tokens the AI model uses. Give a try and send us a feedback. Next tools are template and image generators. You can generate production-ready creative with 0 design skills. I will reset the context to start from scratch. AMI can generate all the templates personalized with available variables from your contact list. AMI will take into account your tone of voice, logo, and colors you provided in the brand settings to do the job. For example, generate an email template for Wooxy with a New Year greeting to customers. As you can see, AMI understood that I need an email template and applied correct tool. Now it makes the research, generates the image, text, HTML code, etc. for us. As a result, we get the ready-to-use editable template. If you want to change something in the template, just ask me in the same context to do the changes. Change the banner to show happy young people in an office environment using orange and purple tones. Add 2 additional news items after the first block. AMI's new version is now live on Wooxy. Use live young people on image. We'll demonstrate AMI at Startup Day 2026, Estonia's largest startup event in January 2026. Use live young people on image. As you can see, I got the results I asked for. As I mentioned earlier, we believe dashboards are a legacy of the past century. There is too much information, too many metrics and numbers and things to monitor to create a truly informative dashboard. One person can only analyze one thing at a time. AMI's job is to bring the most important instance to your attention, saving precious time and resources while enabling the better results through informed decisions. Reports become conversations, not spreadsheets. With the latest update, you can ask AMI to analyze any of your campaigns. Hey AMI, how did my solo 2025 campaign worked out? As you can see, AMI provided a summary of what I need to know about the campaign. AMI compares my metric with industry standard and best practices and my previous campaigns. Of course, all the numbers and reports are still available if you need them, but the magic button or just a question in the chat will save you tons of time. We have added these buttons to the campaigns, templates, A/B tests, and reports section. AMI currently has access to all that information and can help you with it. When you send your campaigns, AMI will generate an insight card for you in your newsfeed the next day, once it has more information to analyze. You will find AMI buttons throughout the platform to help you generate, analyze, brainstorm ideas. Don't hesitate to try them out. AMI now has access to entire Wooxy knowledge base and can help you use our platform with maximum effectiveness. I want to create a welcome workflow with 3 email messages on day 1, day 3, and day 5. How do I do that in Wooxy? AMI can find the necessary information across multiple articles and compile an answer for you. How many emails were sent this month? What is the billing status of the account? Please keep in mind that we have just started teaching the model to use the knowledge base. If you receive incomplete answers, send us a feedback so we could improve the results. To summarize everything we demonstrated today, we are not building another tool. We are building a new way marketing teams will work in the coming years. During the first 2 quarters of next year, we plan to release our new workflow builder. Team up with AMI to generate complete workflow cycles. We are currently working to solve technical issues that will significantly improve the quality of images AMI generates. We'll enhance the quality of newsfeed publications and data visualization. We are introducing new communication and marketing channels that will take Wooxy experience to the next level and make it truly next generation marketing platform. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for being with us over these years. Your openness and extremely useful feedback, even your criticism, has always helped us to find new ways to solve existing and complex problems. This made AMI possible. Thank you again.